Well, good afternoon, everybody. My name's Chris Berger, and it's time for a Burger Point. You may have heard the term KYC, and that is simply knowing your customer. Now, this is employed by both the banks as well as the mortgage companies. So what do you do when it's time to get a mortgage? Do you go to your bank, or do you go to the mortgage company or a mortgage broker? So I would recommend actually to pursue both ways. And by meaning that, if you do business with a bank on a daily basis, which most of us do, there's probably someone in that bank who knows you very well. So I would contact that person, ask them to refer you to their mortgage department, and see what kind of rate, just checking around, what kind of rate you can get. Now, on the other side of the equation, should I go to a mortgage broker? Well, I really don't know anybody. Who should I contact? Well, they're always listed, LendingTree, for example. So it's going to be more impersonal when you call them up and you start speaking with them. However, I kind of feel that they have a much wider range of products that they can offer you rather than the traditional bank. But either way, it doesn't harm you going in both directions. Find out the rate from the mortgage company, find out the rate from your bank, and then you decide. Remember, they're trying to get your business and they will compete. And sometimes you can even go back and forth and say, listen, I got this from the bank, I got this from the mortgage broker. What are you going to do for me? That's my Burger Point. Kind of love, Jay and the Americans. I saw them several years ago, and I did have the opportunity to see Jay Black sing. Of course, he was much older at that point, but what a voice, and Cara Mia, and I just sort of love every minute of it. Every time I hear his voice on the radio, it's magical. Be well. Have a great day.